We are going to make Tortang Talong, which is eggplant omelette. So grill the eggplant first.
You can also steam it if you like.
Grill it until it's soft. So until it's cooked. Put this in the container with cover, or you can put it in a bag. You have to steam it so it's easy to peel the skin.
Let it steam for 3 to 5 minutes.
Now we're going to peel the skin. So now we're going to check if the eggplant has worms. And you really have to spread it like that to make the tortang talong.
It looks good. So far, there's no worms.
Put egg on a small bowl or plate. Put black pepper, garlic, or you can use garlic powder, onions, and salt. Then beat it. So it's 1 egg for 1 eggplant. Coat the eggplant with the egg mixture. Okay, that's ready to be fried. Put oil in the pan and then put the eggplant. Careful because it's hot. So when it's folded like that, just unfold it using the fork and then put the rest of the egg mixture on top of the eggplant. If you don't want to do the 1 egg for 1 eggplant, you can just beat a lot of eggs, and then put the seasonings, the garlic, onions, peppers, and salt. And then just dip the eggplant and then put some of the egg mixture on top. So this is how to cook it. Splash it with hot oil like that, so when you flip it, there's not a lot of mess.
Because the hot oil is starting to cook it.
And then flip it. Perfect. Here's some of the finished product. Let's check if it's done. Looks like it is. There you go. When it's brown like that, it's done. Delicious.